Yeah, good afternoon, students. Okay, good afternoon, Dev, Anuj.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so have you completed the drawings?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you share your drawings in the chat box so we can discuss it? What are the correction so that we can discuss? Okay, all of you are requested to share your drawings. Okay, Dars, can you send the other two drawings so we can discuss all the
Sir,
drawings?
title block and types of lines वालों.
हाँ. Okay, so first we discuss the drawing of the Darsh. Okay, so see, these are the common corrections. So just check it. So this is the drawing of the Darsh. Okay, so where see here you have to use the align method. So 40 must be written on the top side of the dimension. Okay, similarly, the extension line is passing from this. So keeping the gap of 1 mm here, so you have to extend the extension line. This 4, 5 to 10 that you have to write with the 4 mm stencil. Even the numberings are remaining. So you have to write it with the 4 mm stencil. Okay. Now looking to figure. So this is your octagon, that is wrong. Nanagon is wrong. Decagon is wrong. Okay, so when you check the sides, so it is not equal 40. We need the 40 mm side. Okay, just remove this 3 and draw it again. Okay, so our last is octagon, so we can remove this. Then okay, the triangle is remaining here. Okay, even the title is remaining with 8 mm stencil. Here you can write all the dimensions are in mm with 4 mm stencil. Now in this question, the extension line must be from here for all the dimensions. Okay, it is correct. Okay, so you have to extend the extension line in this question, right? Then this is your continuous thick line, so make it dark. Other lines are the thin. Okay. Okay, so thus is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in your title block, the symbol is wrong when you have to draw the symbol again with the same size. Okay, so the length is 20. So you can check the symbol. So both are different. Okay, then here, so here, so within this two, the gap is of 10 object and dimension line. So on the right side, this gap is 10. Even in the top, okay, so this gap is 5. So it is correct. Okay, but check the gap. At the bottom side, here we need the gap of 10. Okay, so remove the rectangle from the title block. ये जरूर नहीं है. Okay, otherwise it is okay.
Okay, sir.
See the dimension font that you have to write with 4 mm stencil. अब इधर 70 65 से ना अब इधर 4 mm के लगवा रहा. Okay, the next and the types of the line, so it is correct, no problem. Okay, now take the drawing of the Sakshi. Okay, so let us check the drawing of the Sakshi now. Okay, Sakshi. So here your table must be in the center of your sketchbook. I don't know. તમે ફોટોગ્રાફ એવો લીધો છે કે પછી એવું જ બનાવ્યું છે?
No, sir, it is in center only.
Okay,
Photo
so
have.
the photograph is taken in this way. Okay, here the projection lines are missing. Even see these two symbols are different. You can see. બંનેની size same જ આવી છે ને because we are using the scale is 1:1. Okay, in this you have to use the stencil of 8 mm. આપણે વાત થઈ હતી ને? Okay, this is correct. See here the arrow is remaining. Okay, it is
Yes, sir.
parabolic and close. Okay, here the arrows are remaining. You can see. Okay, for you also this gap is 10 and this gap is 5. Check it. Okay, so it is applicable for all. આ બધા માટે કોમન છે 5 ને 10 વાળી. તો સેકન્ડ ડ્રોઈંગ નહીં બનાવી? Okay, no problem.
બનાઈ છે.
So here you have to make the extension line, then write 40 mm. Okay, now checking to the answer. Okay, check the dimension of the octagon. There may be chances it is wrong. આ size તમારી મોટી થઈ ગઈ છે. See, it is not 40. Even આ બી check કરી. Okay, so you have to repeat the octagon. The triangle is remaining. So you have to add the triangle. The nomenclatures are remaining. Okay, even all the dimensions are in mm. Now looking to this, see we need a gap here of 1 mm. Okay, so here similarly here also. Okay, then it is correct. 10 and 5 it is correct. Okay, correct. So here you write only 30 and at the bottom you write down all the dimensions are in mm. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so after completion of these 4 topics, you all have to start the practice drawings, which is forwarded to you through the email. Okay, मैं તમને email करेलो છે.
સર આ સ્કેચબુકમાં કન્ટિન્યુ કરવાનું છે?
હા.
ઓકે.
બે વખત આવી ગયો ના ફોટો. Okay, so here see line number H, Sakshi, it is very dark. આટલું બધું dark ના આવે.
Yes.
So this is wrong. Okay, otherwise it is okay. Okay. Now what about the other students? Share your drawings. Okay, so today's session is for the discussion of your drawings. Okay, next time we will go for the engineering scale. Okay, so next drawing is of Drashti. ખાલી બે જ છે, બાકીના બે શેર કરો દ્રષ્ટિ.
So sharing.
Okay. દ્રષ્ટિ બેજ આવ્યા ને બેજ કર્યા ને શેર
Yes, sir. Sharing due to internet connectivity issues.
સારું મોકલો વેઇટ કરું છું બરાબર પછી ડિસ્કસ કરીએ
Sir, done. Sir, the third picture was a bit light, so I have sent you the separate pictures also.
Sir, you are not audible.
okay so this symbol is wrong it must be like this okay so the position is wrong right now here this gap and this gap okay so we need as 5 mm and this will be 10 okay title block okay even the projections are remaining so you have to edit okay so see this okay so almost corrections are same this you need with 4 mm stencil dimension fonts all we need with 4 mm stencil okay Let us check next drawing. This is dark. Okay, so this is the correction. Okay, so here in align system, so draw the extension line from here. Okay, so it is correct. Yes, no problem. Now in unidirectional system, you have to write it vertical, so it is correct. But extension line must be closer to object line. Okay, done. So by this way you have to do it. Drashti, where is your geometric construction? Okay.
Sir, I've sent you.
Okay, so this is your drawing. Okay, again extension line issue. The 8 octagon is wrong. Even 7 is also wrong. Check the dimensions. Triangle is remaining. So add it. Okay, by making the circle and then mark an arc. Okay, so here this you have to write with 4 mm stencils. The nomenclatures are remaining. Okay, the nomenclatures are remaining. Okay, you can write it here, geometric construction. It is far away. Okay, so these are the corrections.
So how to draw the 7 side and 8 side now?
You have to do these two drawings very accurately. So there is the error in the rounder. So instead of 40, you have taken 41 or 39. Similarly, making the centers, you made the mistake. So the moving the rounder of 4 to 5 radius, so there may be chances little bit +1 or -1. Okay, that's why this happened. Okay, Drashti.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these are the corrections. Okay, so this is applicable for all the students. Okay, પછી ખુશ્બુ ઓઝા.
યસ સર.
તમે કરો શેર ડ્રોઈંગ.
હા કરું સર. सर फोटोज शेयर કર્યા મેં.
Okay, Khushbu.
યસ સર.
So see, this is your first drawing, that is the types of the line, so which is correct. Okay, so there is no error and your drawing is good. Second drawing is
Thank you,
geometric
sir.
construction, so which is also correct. Your octagon is wrong. Okay, so kindly check it.
Okay.
And the triangle is
Okay,
missing.
sir.
Okay. Then in aligned system, so see this gap. Okay, so where the fonts are outside, so that you have to make it 5 mm. Okay, so here you
Okay.
have to make 5 mm, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the
Okay,
top
sir.
side you have to make it 5 mm. Here it is 10 mm, it is correct. Now this unit, it is correct, unidirectional system is correct. Okay, so same correction for you, you have to extend the extension line, so which is closer to the okay object line, so keeping the gap of 1 mm.
Okay, sir.
Okay, otherwise it is correct. Okay,
Okay,
and
sir.
you have drawn the drawing very accurately. Okay, and overall the
Thank you,
look
sir.
of the drawing is good. Okay, actually we need this type of the drawing. Okay, in title block you can add the projections in the symbol here.
Okay, sir. I will add.
Hmm. In both the symbols. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
so for cleanliness I will give 10 out of 10. The drawing should be like this. Okay, even the continuous thick line and thin line both are identified from this figure. Okay, so it is good. Here you have to dark the octagon. Okay, so with the continuous thick line.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, હજી કોઈને શેર કરવી છે? Last 5 minutes. Otherwise we will end this session. Okay. So those students are having the pending drawings. So they have to draw this 4 drawings. Then after this you have to do the practice drawings. Okay, so which I have forwarded through the email. Okay, so download it and do it. Okay, next time we will go for the engineering scale. Okay, so we end this session here. Any query in this 4 topics? So you must have to add the corrections whatever is given during this lecture. Okay, check with query.
Is there any video for the drawings which you've sent us in the mail?
खबर नहीं पड़ी दृष्टि. Exactly what you want to say?
Do you have any recorded video or anything for the drawings which you've sent us in the mail?
Mail માં નથી હું share કરતો. I think I will share with you in the Teams.
Yeah, that is fine, but the drawings which you've given for practice in the mails,
Yes.
do you have any reference link, like any video or anything for that?
अच्छा, okay, for particular practice drawing.
Yes.
Okay, no, there is no video for the practice drawing. So see, this is for the practice. So whatever is visible in the particular PDF, that exactly you have to try to make it. Okay, and these drawings are taken from the ND Bhatt book. Okay, so that is engineering drawing by ND Bhatt. So you can directly refer the this book.
Okay.
Okay, all the informations are given in this book. Okay, એટલે તમે જે નંબર્સ છે ને બધા 1 2 3 એ નંબર્સ છે, એ નંબર્સ ચેક કરી લેજો, એ નંબરમાં એની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપેલી છે. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ ડ્રોઈંગ ઇઝ that is for the orthographic projection. સેકન્ડ ને થર્ડ છે કદાચ અલાઇન મેથડ ને યુનિડાયરેક્શનલ મેથડનું રિપ્રેઝન્ટેશન છે. તે બધી જે ડ્રોઈંગ છે એ બેઝિક જ છે, જે આપણે ચલાવીએ છીએ જ છે. ઓકે, સો યુ કેન રિફર ઇટ. ઓકે દ્રષ્ટિ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other question? Okay, no problem. So we end the session here. So thank you very much for attending the laboratory session. Okay, so now you are free. You can leave the laboratory.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.